I went back to get applied statistics degree and stuff like that. But when it comes down to it, as far as the work, I sat down and I did it myself. I learned Keras completely on my own because I was interested in neural networks. I had read a really good book on neural networks, and I sat down and I just did it. So really, it just kind of depends on you and you taking what you've done with your constant learning, the newsletters, the YouTube work, and applying it yourself. And and like I said, I still do it. Just this week, I was looking at some of stuff by of the Profit framework that's put out by Meta. I'm really curious about time series development, and Profit is this framework that Meta offers. And I was doing some of my own work just this week. It's not work that I'll share with anybody. I won't do any videos on it. It's just my own exploration. I'm just curious. Sometime maybe down the future I'll use it. Maybe I won't. But that's how you learn, right? You got to stay engaged, and you got to go the next step forward from the videos and into like actually writing code, like writing your own code, right? So that's what I would recommend to you. If you feel like I've got a degree, I took some online courses, I watch a lot of YouTube videos. Great. Now start typing it. Start working with your own frameworks. Pick data and go for it. What can you develop from a particular framework? What can you develop from some data? Start actually getting into the routine of being a data scientist. So that's what I would do in your situation. If that's helpful, please let me know. You're welcome to write in some follow-ups on the Instagram side. Happy to help you if I can. Well, I have no idea how many more comments I have on the Instagram side, but I'm going to try to keep going here and try to get to everybody's comments. Okay, Mr.